Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. The Bargain Bead Box for January is here, and it is called Midnight Skies. It says, inspired by starry winter nights, this eclectic palette mixes a variety of blues with the subtle glow of labradorite. Electroplated agate, check glass stars, crystal accents, and bold glass barrel beads combine with a set of high quality stainless steel and pewter findings in classic celestial shapes. That's interesting. If you subscribe, you also get a 30% off coupon to their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, every month. And if you're interested in subscribing, you can use coupon code Turquoise to save $2 off your first box. And I have an affiliate link below that you can use. So let's see what's in this box. Okay, so they're saying that the approximate retail value this month is $77. First, number one is a 1 meter of 3mm steel Rollo jewelry chain. This is lead and nickel free. I like Rollo chain. I think it's one of my more favorite chains just because it seems a little bit more sturdy, no matter what the size. Number two, 40 pieces, 7.5mm star-shaped bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium, and cadmium free. These are all upside down. Those are cute. I think this is the box everybody wanted in December because there's a lot of blue and silver in this box. Number three, 2 pieces, 23mm stainless steel moon phase cutout coin pendants. That's cool. Oh, I love that. I don't have one of these. Not in this style anyway. I love those. Those would make great earrings or 2 pendants or even 2 like a bracelet bar. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I like that. Number 4, 5 pieces, 11.5mm starburst pattern glass cylinder beads. These are pretty cool. I love these. I love that blue effect on them. I like the starburst. It could be stars or snowflakes. With this moon theme, it's almost more stars than snowflakes though, which I like stars better than snowflakes. Number 5, 10 pieces, 15.5 by 20mm round with moon and star links, lead and cadmium free. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And they're double-sided. Oh, I want to make a necklace with these and earrings. I just finished a necklace with a moon that's silver, that this actually would go with, kind of, for a different bead box. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love these. These are so cute. And I can paint them. I can do whatever I want. Number 6, we got checked glass. How many times have we said it, everyone? We finally did it. 10 pieces, 8mm frosted pressed glass star beads, crystal AB. We finally got some check glass. We might have gotten check glass in the past, but I think these are check. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, they said check glass stars. I know everybody mentions like they sell so many different check beads in their sister store. Why don't they ever put them in the boxes? And there we go. There we go. We got some check glass. That makes me very happy. Number 7, 3 sets, 18 by 25mm rounded square toggle clasps, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Very nice. Very plain. I like plain toggles because they tend to go with everything, right? I like all toggles though. Number 8, approximately 10-inch strand, 6mm English cut crystal crystal beads, steel blue. Ooh, those are so much fun. These are gonna look nice with this is really fun. I like those. You don't really get English cut crystals that often. I don't think I'm seeing any bicones in this box, which is great. Number 9, 10-piece strand, 10mm moonstone, in parentheses, glass round beads, soft blue. These are mermaid beads, mermaid glass. They're so glowy. Gosh, this is a fun box. I really love it. For those of you who don't like blue, not gonna be your thing. I'm thinking Karen, but she loves red. But I love I love this color palette, and these blue, I don't really see 10 millimeter mermaid beads that often. Number 10, 10 gram bag of 5 millimeter star spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Lovely. Those are interesting. I'm trying to think about how I would use those. Number 11, 4 pieces, 12 millimeter stainless steel crescent moon cutout round links. Oh, those are cute. They go really well with that moon phase. These are adorable. I really like those. I mean, I haven't seen anything I don't like yet, which is awesome. Number 12, approximately 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter druzy agate electroplated round beads. Very cool. I like how vibrant those always are. And I like how they strung them on linen or nylon cord. Gives you a new idea. Number 13, approximately 8 inch strand, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, deep blue mix. These are nice. I like the mix of colors. Number 14, 38 by 30 millimeter antique silver brass crescent pendant with labradorite oval. This is really pretty. Oh, I love this. This is right up my alley. Now, the labradorite is very low grade. It doesn't have, well, at least mine. Somebody's out there might have a lot of flash. Mine has 0 flash in it. I don't care. I think it looks really cool because this is pretty, pretty cool. Like, I just really like the finish on it, that matte, dark antique silver. This is really cool. I would buy this at a bead show or from a handmade, like if it was handmade from an artisan. I like this. I love, look at the setting around the cabochon. That is so cool. I love celestial stuff. This box is really hitting me in the feels today. What number was that? That was number 14. Number 15, 22 millimeter curved forest moon link, pewter plated with tie fine silver. This is cool. This almost looks like Green Girl Studios-esque. I mean, hers are beautiful handmade artisan pieces, but I like it has a carved look, a pewter look. I like that we're getting a lot of links in this, not just regular charms. I don't tend to use charms as much as I used to. Links are really cool. That's going to be a really neat bracelet, I think. I'm really excited to use the stuff from this box. Number 16, approximately 7.5 inch strand of 4 millimeter labradorite faceted round beads. These are cool. Oh, look at the flash on the one there. These are really nice. They almost look like rutilated quartz because of all the inclusions in these, but I think they're really pretty. Oh, this one's got a really nice green flash in it. Those are really cool. These are going to look really nice with this. I love it. Number 17, approximately 5 inch strand of labradorite large chip beads. Oh, and this got some good flash on it too. I'm loving that they put labradorite. I don't ever remember getting labradorite from them before. If we have, I got to tell you, I've opened a lot of bead boxes in my day, so I'm sorry if I forget, but look how flashy these are. These are nice. These almost seem synthetic. But they're not saying anything in here is synthetic. These, I don't know why I seem to think that. These almost seem like too flashy. I think they're beautiful, but you know, they could be just really nice beads. I love them. They're gorgeous. Those make me so happy. And then number 18 is a 20-piece set of check glass pressed star beads. Oh, okay, so these are the check glass ones. The other ones weren't check glass. I knew it. I knew it when I was looking at those holes on these beads. I knew they weren't check, but I was like, oh, okay, they said they were including check glass stars. These are the check glass stars, and I can absolutely tell that they're check. I should have followed my gut, but I did. They said they had check glass stars, and I didn't realize there were 2 different star ones. But anyway, these are pressed glass. These are check. Very nice, little tiny blue stars. This, not to be puntastic, it was out of this world for me. I really love this box. I love this unique pendant. I loved the smaller labradorites. I love these, the moons, everything. This was like, if I could design a box, I would have designed this one. So let me know, what is your favorite part? Are you looking forward to yours? Have you already started making with it? I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. If you want to save $2 off your first box and you're thinking about subscribing, please use my affiliate link below, and you can use coupon code Turquoise. I hope you have a great day. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Yes, you're a little paparito, huh? You're all... Oh, look at that smile. You're happy. Oh, my goodness. Yes, he's smiling at Mommy. Yes, you're nice and warm. Yes, he's a good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, he's so cute.